All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration night mag number 746576. There's to be referral to Felony Drug Court. He's to remain in custody until transfer. Court is calling 2024 CR 6101W, State of Texas versus Christopher James Miller. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Danny West Bar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Brittany Sparks for Christopher Miller. I'm sorry, I didn't hear your name. Brittany Sparks. Sparks? Yes.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on May 16th, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
And have both parties had a chance to review the PSI?
Yes, sir.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Right. According to the plea bargaining agreement, state recommends deferred adjudication. This is the run concurrent with 2020 CR 1185C. There's to be a drug court evaluation. If not accepted, then follow the TAP recommendations. Excuse me, do you have 2020 CR 1185C? All right, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge, he is, although it says otherwise in his PSI, Your Honor, he is willing to do drug court. He did qualify, he was accepted, but they had to give his spot away, is my understanding, because the sentencing was too far out.
Mhm.
I've asked probation if there is a spot available. They said not right now. But I think they have graduation coming up and maybe a spot will be open soon. That is what he would like to do if the court will allow him to.
Okay. All right, anything from the state?
No, Your Honor, except that I think the other case, it's an MTR. I think both parties intend to sort of let that MTR expire because he'd be on the first 5 years. Yes.
Okay. All right, does anyone wish to speak to length of probation?
Your Honor, our agreement with the state was for 5 years. That is what my client accepted, so.
All right, that's outside the agreement.
Oh, yes. I mean, as far as the length, I mean, that's what we would be asking for is for 5 years, but we understand that it's your decision.
Okay. It's the 2020 CR 1185C. All right. I see the nature of that offense. And what was the length of probation on that offense? Was it 4 years?
Judge, I think
Yeah.
All right. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration night mag number 746576. There's to be referral to Felony Drug Court. He's to remain in custody until transfer to Felony Drug Court. Counsel, if you reach out to Felony Drug Court, you can see when they can accept him. If for some reason they don't have any room for him in the foreseeable future, just let the court know and the court will consider a different placement. But for now, he's to remain in custody until accepted into Felony Drug Court. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. The court will not waive any of those hours. You're going to have to do those hours. You understand? Oh, thank you. And it says in here that the guilt was minimized. Why is it saying that?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. In
In the PSI, yes. It says that he minimized guilt.
Yes, Judge, there was the night mag case. was a possession charge. Mr. Miller and I have spoken at length, because he had a difficult time accepting responsibility for the possession charge. We have spoken about him accepting the responsibility for this tampering with evidence. So I think since he has spoken to the judge, he has come to the realization of where we are with this case.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I mean, I work out there. I mean, I continue to have jobs and I mean, I just need a steady balance. That's why I want to get into the felony drug court.
Do you have any children?
I do have a daughter.
And what's her age?
She just turned 10. I just missed her birthday because of all this.
Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. What?
I missed her birthday because of all this.
All right. Well, I mean, you missed her birthday for your own actions.
Right.
All right, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to order parenting classes. There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And probation, if for some reason he is not accepted into felony drug. Yeah, if for some reason with regards to felony drug court, he's going to remain in custody until they accept him. So he's to remain there. If it's taking a long time, then probation, you can let me know, or his counsel can let me know, and then I'll decide to do something else. But he's not to be released until he's in felony drug court.
Okay, finish it.
All right. And probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, everyone, when we're on the record, excuse me, when we're on the record, there's a sign. Do y'all see that sign? All right, thank you. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, and I hope those burns heal. What were you doing in the kitchen?
I was cooking
What were you cooking?
dinner.
I mean, what's the meal?
It was just oatmeal, honestly.
Yeah, I had a feeling. Bear County Jail, probably oatmeal.
I have a slight issue with that, though.
Mm-hmm.
Due to the burns and infection and getting health care and seeing a doctor and going to do that. I mean, I've been waiting to go and waiting for this PSI and waiting to get into drug court for the last 30 days. I know you said I have to do it in custody.
Yes,
I mean, even with monitor or anything like that, because I'm trying to
No.
go and
because here's the thing. You have a drug problem. You have a major drug problem. The fact that you're on probation, the state made an offer with you. Even though you're on probation for another case, they made an offer for probation on this case.
yes, ma'am.
So people always want the sun, the moon, the stars. And then when they're at the very beginning, when they're looking at prison time, it's always like, I'll do anything.
Well, I mean, it was just because I was already, just because of the sentencing wise, I was already accepted into the drug court. I missed it.
Yeah. I mean, I could send you to prison and they'll give you, I think they have better medical care at the prison if you want.
It's not what I want.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
The atmosphere in Judge Stephanie Boyd's courtroom turns icy as the sentencing for Christopher James Miller begins. While the state recommends a standard 5-year deferred probation concurrent with another case, Judge Boyd immediately takes control, scrutinizing the pre-sentence investigation, PSI. She notes a critical red flag. The report states Miller minimized guilt for his drug possession charge. His attorney weakly attempts to explain, but Judge Boyd isn't having it. In a decisive move that destroys the expectation of a lenient deal, Judge Boyd overrules the plea bargain suggestion and imposes a stricter 6-year deferred adjudication probation. She then methodically lays out a punishing regimen: immediate custody until transfer to felony drug court, GPS monitoring, 200 hours of community service, random drug tests, and a ban on working with minors or in healthcare. The drama intensifies during a personal interrogation. Judge Boyd learns Miller has a 10-year-old daughter whose birthday he just missed. "You missed her birthday for your own actions, right?" she states, stripping away any veneer of victimhood. When Miller complains about burns and poor medical care in jail, Judge Boyd coldly offers him the alternative of prison, highlighting his entitlement. "People always want the sun, the moon, the stars. You have a major drug problem," she declares, exposing his failure to take true responsibility. This is more than a sentencing, it's a dismantling. Judge Boyd systematically destroys every excuse, leaving the defendant with no illusions about the severity of his situation or the strict second chance he's being given. Her final good luck is a warning, not a blessing, capping a masterclass in authoritative, no-nonsense justice.